What is the best direction for a garden to face? Dear friends, the best and most desired direction for your garden to face is a south-facing garden. This is because they receive the most light all day long, which is something most buyers are looking for. Having a south-facing garden can actually increase your property's value when it comes to selling, as there's a high demand for a set amount of supply. For people who are keen gardeners or those who love to entertain, the high priority is a garden that will have the most fun, as it will mean longer days in the garden and better growing conditions for plants. Ultimately, there is no overall best direction for a garden to face, as the answer will be down to what you personally want to get out of your garden. To quickly summarize each garden direction to help you decide which garden will be best for you. West-facing gardens get the light in the late afternoon and evening. East-facing gardens get the light in the morning. South-facing gardens get the most light overall and will have the light throughout the whole day. North-facing gardens will get the least light overall and can be subject to damp. If you plan on gardening, how important is it which way your garden faces? The lighter your property, the better, because this will provide you with more opportunities. This means more opportunities to work in your garden and a wider choice of what you can grow effectively in your garden. However, it is possible to grow plants, flowers, and vegetables in gardens that face north, but you will need to work with these restrictions in mind. Your personality may determine what garden you need. There is also the fact that your personality or nature may influence the decision that you make. If you are a morning person, the idea of enjoying the sun rising while you eat your breakfast and catch up on the news of the day can be very appealing. Whether you are in your garden or sitting in a conservatory area, someone who intends to use their garden in the morning will find that an east-facing garden is best for your needs. If you like the idea of relaxing on the patio or in your conservatory after work, a west-facing garden may be the best option for you. The size and shape of your garden may also impact what you can do with it or what benefit you get from the weather. It could even be that external factors like tall buildings or trees limit your garden's ability to benefit from the sun. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.